Hi there, Chris Fox here for the VA Historical Association. This is our series on tech tips. Show you what goes on when maintaining stuff. So at this point right now, what we have here is a D22 valve. It's an air valve. And it looks like this on the car when it's on the car. And I have it now on the bench here. And we've taken part of it. There's 3 sections to it, so the other 2 sections are off. And they are the quick service portion and the graduated release portion. And this here is the main service portion. So we'll take it apart and show you how and what it looks like inside. Right now it's sitting on the car or sitting on the bench sideways. So with these, it would sit the other way. Anyway. So to take one of these apart, these check valves. A gasket. And this would be your air release. Okay, and now I'm going to rotate this and show you the check valves. Well, these are the check valves. You got a gasket. And you got springs. And you have check valves. They come apart like that. Okay. And now we'll take the cylinder out. That's the slide cylinder. As this moves back and forth in the main service portion, it uncovers ports and allows the air to go where it needs to go. We have a piston ring around here. And there's another one. It's in this portion here. It's in here. You can see it right there. It's a much smaller one. You can see all the dirt on it. But again, uncovers ports. Okay, so that, take the wasp out, and that is basically it for the body of the D22 service portion. Okay. So, with that being said, we'll clean it up and put it together. But I just wanted to show you that the internals of these, they're very highly machined, all brass. And every 2 years now, this is what needs to happen. Here's the parts from the D22. It's the slide valve, piston, the other piston. You can see the dirt on it like I was saying before. These are the, move them into view. These are the check valves and what the check valves look like. They're reversible. Sorry about that. Let's see if we can get that focused a bit more now. Okay. And these are the parts of the air release. There's the valves, and the spring, the gasket. These are the other springs that actually push against the two slide valves. The piston puts air on this side, and then the spring pushes against inside the body. Anyway, just wanted to show you those up close. Okay, so hopefully you found that interesting, and we'll do some more of this stuff. Thanks for watching.